Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about Rhea Finance and about their airdrop. This is DeFi platform on Near blockchain and now I am on their Twitter. So here we can see they announced about their new platform and we can earn a Rhea token in future. There is point system dashboard, and to earn points we need to trade, bridge, supply and borrow. And also there is some social tasks, engage in Twitter and earn some rewards for this. Also there is some information about nightly wallet, and they promised us bonus points if you will use this wallet. So as this platform is on Near blockchain, we can use here hot or Meteor wallet. And for example, if you don't want to create a new one, you just can use your existing seed phrase in nightly wallet. Okay, and now let's go to the platform. Here I have the link. I go there. So, and this is this DeFi platform. First, I will go to swap window. Here it is. Okay, and we need to connect our wallet. I push connect wallet, and I will choose my Meteor wallet. I push connect. On the top right, you can see my points. I collected those points in several days. And first of all, let's go to meme season. I go to rewards button. Okay. Here you can climb NFT first. Yes, I have already climbed mine. And after that, you can climb here some meme tokens, and you need just pay a little bit gas fee in Near. Okay, next, also you can stake here. You can choose the maximum appear percentage. Yes, if you have some memes, I think it's better to stake them. Further, I go to earn section, and here I choose pools. And now let's participate. There are different pools, yes, where we can collect some points. I will choose this one, Frax Near. I didn't participate in this. So, and here we need to add liquidity. Yes, we need to add Frax token here and Near token. So, and liquidity works in this way. We add both tokens in the pool, and if the price for Near is goes up, the Near is selling and we buy Frax. And otherwise, if the price for Near goes down, we selling Frax and buying Near. And this is the way how liquidity is working. Yes, so if there is some big fluctuations on the market, yes, and you don't want to sell your token, you shouldn't participate here. Okay, and let's add liquidity here. I go to trade section and I go to swaps. Also, we can put a limit order here. Yes, I think this is very useful. We can choose the price, yes, and sell or buy, for example, yes. And our order will appear below. But for now, I will go to the swap section. And here I will choose the token Frax. And I will buy some small amount, for example, for 5 Near. I hit swap and I confirm in my wallet. Okay, swap successful. And now let's go to the pool section and I will choose pool Frax Near, hit add liquidity. Okay, I push on the whole amount and yes, I will add 12 Frax and 5 Near. And I hit add liquidity and approve in my wallet. Okay, so it's ready. I participated in this pool. And look here, in pools we can see different icons, yes, farms and points. So the points is, this is XP, which we collected, and farms, this is additional appear, which we can earn. Now let's go to my pools, and I will show. Here I participate in 4 pools. Okay, the first 3 pools, yes, I'm earning additional percentage. And the last one, this is the new, which we created together. There is no any additional percentage, yes. I will receive only XP for these pools. Now let's go to farms section. And here you can find all pools which will give you additional percentage. for participating in those pools. Here you can see, and it's better to choose the biggest percentage when you participate, but also you need to consider the tokens, because if the price fluctuates, the amount of tokens will be changing in your pool. Okay, and above you can see my rewards for several days. I participate in this pool, Meteor. This is the amount in my pool and rewards. Also participate in Aggregator, also the amount in my pool and rewards. And Gear near, yes, the same amount in pool and rewards. So now let's add a little bit in near ref pool. Yes, here to participate in this farm, yes, we first need to add tokens in pools, and after that we need to stake it here. So let's first buy some ref. Yes, I will choose ref, and I buy some small amount. Okay, I confirm, and it's successfully. Now I go back to pools. I will choose this pool, ref near, and I will add liquidity. Yes, I will choose the whole amount I have. Okay, I hit add liquidity and confirm in my wallet. It's better to choose the pools where we can farm additional APR. Okay, transaction is successful. Now let's go to the farm section. And here I choose ref near, and you can see I have available to stake. This is the amount in my pool. I choose and hit stake and confirm, and that's all. Now let's go to the stake, and here we can stake ref token, and we will receive some percentage, but also this is important information. By staking ref, we have opportunity to earn fees generated by the protocol, and any ref holders can have a share in revenue. Yes, but also there is questions for how long we need to hold ref and when this revenue will be distributed. I have no idea. Might it's only once in a year. Okay, next let's go to the lending. I have never used lending or borrowing before. Yes, here we can find the percentage for supply and for borrow. Yes, the percentage is quite high and might we need to participate here. Now let's look at the XP. Yes, this is my rank. And first, trading points. We earn 10 points for every $50 of trading. Next, liquidity points. We earn 100 points for 100 supply, 300 points for 100 borrowed, and 200 points in pool. So for supply and borrowing, the points are quite high. Yes, I think I will consider to participate in lending as well. Okay, next we have community points. Yes, this is for referrals and some social media content. Okay, and one more thing, we have bridge here, and for bridge we also can receive XP. Here we can see 3 providers, Aggregate, Rainbow and Near Intense. Let's look at it. So, and there are different blockchains. Yes, we need to check price for every blockchain. I make some bridge from Solana to Near, and it cost me $50. Yes, and I think for different blockchain there will be different fees. Okay, and next Rainbow. Let's check. Okay, here we have Ethereum and Aurora. And Near Intense. There are a lot of tokens, yes, and I think the fees will be different. We need just check. Okay, guys, and I think that was all features in this platform I mentioned. Please give me a like. Have a great day ahead, and bye.